Me, manners. Don't forget.
Mimi bounced with glee. Today, she was visiting Mrs. Plum and her little boy, Timmy. Mimi loved seeing new toys. Mom held her hand as they walked to the bright blue door. Inside, Timmy was playing with a shiny red car. "Mine!" Mimi shouted, rushing over and trying to grab the car. Timmy's eyes filled with tears, and he held it tight. Mom gently knelt beside Mimi. "Mimi, remember we ask nicely to share, and we wait our turn. Being kind makes friends happy." Mimi looked down, feeling a little bit sorry. Mimi took a deep breath. She walked back to Timmy. "Timmy," she said softly, "may I please play with the red car after you?" Timmy looked up, smiled, and then pushed the car to Mimi. Mimi and Timmy played together, taking turns with all the toys. Mimi felt a warm, happy feeling in her heart. Mrs. Plum smiled too. Being kind felt wonderful.